My name is Becky Estey. I go by Becky here on campus, and I am the manager of the campus ID and dining office at the University of Rhode Island, and I've been here 14 years. I really think the University of Rhode Island is special because we have a diverse group of students that come here. We're small enough, but we feel like we're really like a large school, even though we're considered a medium-sized school with our 17,000 students that come. Interesting enough, when I first started here, we had just started with the old hand key system, and we wanted it to be a little bit quicker getting in and out of the dining hall, and we also wanted it so nobody could ever steal a meal plan. So with that being said, in 2019, we were at UGC and we saw MorphoWave, and I was like, Sean, we need to get this. And Sean was like, hey, we'll see. And then COVID hit in March of 2020, and we were told immediately before everything was shut down that we needed to stop using the hand key, needless to say, because you had to actually place your hand on the plate, and it couldn't be cleaned after every single student getting in and out of the dining halls. So we had to stop the process, and we had to hurry up and come up with a quick solution, and that was making sure that they were able to at least swipe their cards themselves on the old hand key for them to get in and out. And then everything shut down. So then it was, oh my goodness, we need to get this. We saw the MorphoWave and we need to take care of it ASAP. And then we started that fall with the process, and we got them in. And so that's why we started it all. And it's so far so good. Been a good positive experience. When we switched to MorphoWave, it has been by far it goes a lot quicker. It is just, and the students understand it a lot better because they're just waving their hand through the 3 times to enroll. But it's just a much smoother process. And the other thing is we've noticed that it accepts the hands and the fingerprints much easier than the hand key did, because we had a lot of problems with the hand key, especially like if people's fingernails were way too long, or if missing a finger, because that has happened, and we were unable to actually process those people. And I would usually have a good, decent size list that I would have to let the dining halls know. With the hand key situation, I'm like, please let these students in because they're not going to be able to use their hands because we were unable to enroll. I had one student this past fall that we were unable to enroll that I had to let the dining halls know about. Otherwise, so that was 3,700 students or so that we were able to enroll no problem without any concerns. Okay, so in the dining hall, it is access only. It is right at the front door, right where the registers are. So when you walk into either Butterfield or Mainfair Dining Hall, there are a few of them set up so there can be more than one student going through the line quickly, and they can just swipe their hand in, and we have them actually set up just on the counters where the registers are. So there isn't any, and we don't like anything special. We don't have a tower or anything that they're on. They're just sitting there by themselves, super quick, super easy. And I think we have 3 in Mainfair and 3 in Butterfield. So it's quick and easy. I think they've done really good at embracing it. They actually think it's kind of cool. A lot of times there'll be students coming in that, can I do this? Can I do that? And I'm like, well, what meal plan do you have? And they're like, oh, I don't have a meal plan. Like, no, you can't do it. But they think it's a lot of times I hear such positive feedback. They're like, this is so cool, it's so high tech. The lines are quick. There really isn't much of a line. Just keep on walking through, just get those students inside. Because, there's always that bottleneck problem going into a dining hall. Not so much anymore having this because it's so fast. Nobody can steal a meal plan with these. obviously your hand is attached to your body, so you have to just go right through and use your hand. So that's one good thing. I definitely think it's a smart move. I think biometrics is the way to go, especially nowadays. You know, things have evolved so much throughout the years with technology, and the way that how smoothly this works and how we're able to get reports from it, and how, you know, I just think it's a wise decision, and we don't have any complaints using it. So I think it's a great idea.